don't worry. I have the perfect solution for you. Jaiswal Sports Company presents you its most famous product, the Corona-proof football. This football is permanently sanitized, so don't worry about getting infected. It is strong, durable, airtight and long-lasting. But its most special feature is it is signed by Messi. We are the official suppliers of the Barcelona Football Club. We are the official sponsors of the first football match on the moon. It's available in Lulu and you can order online at www.yuvrajsellsbestfootball.com. If you order now, there will be a special discount of 20%, which means you'll only have to pay 200 reals. Quick, order now. Here's my number. Call me and get the opportunity to order a new football signed by Messi. Thank you.
All the way from space, from the chocolate planet, here comes Galaxy Chocolate. Have a bite. The chocolate lava explodes in your mouth. Yummy. Never go untasted.
This is Shivashaitan. I'm studying in class 50. Today for this year, I'm going to advertise you Dettol sanitizer. Dettol sanitizer is mostly recommended by the doctors and which provides 99.9% germ-free soft hands after every use. And in this Dettol sanitizer, there are not any harmful chemicals which could harm us. And there are various colors and various sizes of the Dettol sanitizers. And mini pocket size mini sanitizer, medium size sanitizers, and large size sanitizers. And this is the mini size sanitizers which are available in various colors: pink, blue, orange, red, etc. And this is the medium size Dettol sanitizer which contains 250 ml in it. It is usually kept in our homes, office rooms, and etc. And this is the large size sanitizers which contains 700 milliliter in it.
Thank you everyone. I am going to advertise an organic product called Bioenzyme. Bioenzyme is a 100% natural product. We have a lot of uses with it. We can make business out of it, and other than that, we can use it as a multi-purpose home cleaner and water purifier, air purifier, and greatly used in agriculture, and many other more uses are there. With this bioenzyme, we can make more than 500 products. It is mainly used in lake cleaning. Avoid using chemicals and start using bioenzyme and reduce our monthly expenses up to 70%. Use bioenzyme, stay healthy, go green, and save our earth. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Today for our CCA, I am going to advertise Silver Fire cricket bats. Silver Fire or SF cricket bats, an ability to play hardball cricket. Appropriate size and weight ratio, colorful choices of rubber grip, warranty of the quality of wood, long handle, short handle, all available. These are new bats, 20% off, and premium quality bats. If you want to play cricket, grab a SF bat. Hit the ball, not the wicket with this lovely bat. Thank you.
Today I'm gonna advertise for a product. It is Horlicks. Horlicks has vitamin D, C and iron. It is very good for us. When we are tired, we will drink Horlicks. It gives us energy and we will win some races in it also. It is also good for our health. When we should drink in morning and in night. It is very good. Then we will get some energy from it. When we are tired, when we sleep, when we sleep late and we wake up early, so that we will be tired. So we should drink Horlicks. Horlicks gives us energy, a good health and everything. It also gives good wins, good races also, like running, skipping, long jump, etc. Question. Okay. Questions. Why do we need Horlicks? Can anyone say? Yes, Horlicks is very important for us because it is vitamin C, D and iron. When we get tired, we will drink Horlicks. Why do we need to drink Horlicks? Because vitamin C, iron and good energy. Thank you.
Good morning. Look, Dr. Rahul is having some diseases. Yes, Rahul is having some diseases. The germs are entered in our body through eating also by hand. Now use Dettol. It kills 99.99% of germs on our hand. Recommended by doctors. It also kills COVID-19 virus also.
Game console and a controller with it. And in the down compartment, we will get headphones and motion controller and USB. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Parva Gandhi. Today I am advertising. Hi. What happened? My laptop is not working. I have an idea. Today a new laptop is invented in India. It has 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. Its name is Lenovo. We can do many things like doing our online classes, playing games, online shopping, and other many useful things. And they are giving us 10% discount to first 10 customers. Wow! And buy soon. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ritvik Raj. I am studying in 5th class T. Today I am going to advertise about orange juice. Orange juice is rich in minerals and vitamin C. Boost your immunity. Lower high blood pressures. Balance cholesterol levels. Protect skin from UV damage. Improve heart health. Drink orange juice every day and boost your immunity. Keep calm and drink orange juice. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Avinash. I am studying in 5th class. I am going to advertise a product. Its name is clothing product. Fashion marketing campaigns tend to be creative, sometimes controversial, but at always forefront of what's cool. Newest trend fashion in our stores are stylish in modes, and fashionable clothing is available for babies, parents, children, old age persons. Clothes also available. 50% discount up to June 10 to June 12, 2024 offer. Stock is available and the price for the clothes is 500 rupees. Fashionable clothes are available. Gumboot, shoes, coats, shirts and pants are available. Uniforms are also in the marketing stock. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hey, why are you so tired? Didn't you drink your milk? I drank, but still I'm tired. then take Aldooth milk. Milk is wonderful for every day, and ice in milk during summer season, milk will become very nice. Milk is fun for every season. Drink milk for healthy reason. You will remain fit and fine and will live past 99. Aldooth milk is the secret of my energy. Introducing a new offer, 5% offer in every pack. Thank you.